Fuck you. That's so icky. I'm at a pub. Oh. Oh. Ew! That's disgusting! They gave it to— I'm so sorry, Matilda Hecker. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. That is so icky. Happy birthday, Deeples Jean. It's not my birthday. Shut up. Shut up, baby. Ew! Gotta change the stream to burp ASMR. Shut up, Serena. Thank you so much. Ew. Wait, what? Ew! That was disgusting. I'm so sorry, Chetta. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Burping so much. Stop it, Chetta. I'm sorry. I don't drink beer, Matilda. I have to burp again. Oh my god. That was like a baby one. Hi, Matilda Hecker. Here's some money for aspirin. I don't need aspirin. Thank you, Matilda Hecker. Thank you. Mwah. You don't mind using your burps as a ringtone, Mom? Why would you? So 956, why would you want to use my burps as a ringtone? I don't know why you would want to do that. I have to burp. Oh my god, again.